Alright, here I go again. And this should be the last little bit. Barring unforeseen circumstances that just kind of require me to take it off again, but hopefully this will be the last little bit. There. There. Now, get that edge there. Do you want to watch while the paint dries? Alright, while I wait for her lips to dry, I'm going to touch up her cheeks. Notice I just put a little bit of a swirl there, and then now I'm starting right over here, right next to her chin, and then going up to just over her cheek, and then right up to her eye, and then coming back down. Now, notice how it does not look very bright? Just do it one more time. You really shouldn't need to do this more than 3 times. If you're doing it more than 3 times, it's going to be too bright. When you get to the end. Now this is 4th time, and it's going to be about right because I've got it pretty well watered down from when I was doing the lips. But I do not recommend more than that. See, you can see it on her cheek like that. Alright, now bring it up, bring it over, just like if you were applying blush to your own face when you're doing makeup. And for those of you who don't know how to apply makeup, this is a good lesson for that too. You don't want it too bright because this I look like you put rouge on her. But there, see? It's brighter and it's a little more pink, and there you go. She looks a lot more natural.